शिक्षाविद और समाजसेवी डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत लिखित माई मदर माई हीरो इंग्राजी पुस्तक उन्मोचित राजभवन रे ओडिशा राजभवन रे राज्यपाल प्रोफेसर गणेशी लाल उपस्थिति रे उपराष्ट्रपति एम वेंकैया नायडू द्वारा यह पुस्तक उन्मोचित हो जाइछि। डॉक्टर सामंत माँ नीलिमा राणी निज संघर्षमय जीवन मध्य निज पिला सफल मनीष कर गढ़ी तोलिबारे सक्षम हो पारिछंती। माँ को जीवनादर्शन एवं मूल्यबोध को आधार करी लेखक डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत किभली समग्र विश्व में निजर स्वतंत्र परिचय सृष्टि करि पारिछंती ताहा ही एही पुस्तकर निष्कर्ष। निज वक्तव्य डॉक्टर सामंत कहिछंती से सर्वदा नारी शक्ति को सम्मान दैछंती। नारी शक्तिर प्रभाव से पिलाटी बेलू अनुभव करि आसिछंती। नारी शक्ति सर्वदा समाजर उन्नति करि आसिछि। नारी शक्ति को जेते सशक्त करा जिवो देश समाजर सेतिक उन्नति हेबो बोली डॉक्टर सामंत विश्वास करंती। डॉक्टर सामंत पुस्तकटी नारी शक्ति को केन्द्र कर लिखा जाइए। नारी शक्ति को व्याख्या करने को जाई डॉक्टर सामंत निज मां को उदाहरण नहीं। नीलिमा राणी देवींकर उद्यम आदर्श और प्रेरणा जोगु कटक जिलार निपट मफसल गाँ कलराबांक देशर प्रथम आदर्श ग्राम और परे स्मार्ट गाँ कलराबांक एवं माणपुर किभली एक स्मार्ट पंचायत रे परिणत हो पारि से संपर्क में यह पुस्तक विशेष आलोचना कर जाइछि।
East in my memory take my last breath. Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, besides being a visionary leader and a sitting representative of people, is also an avid reader, prolific writer and also orator par excellence. His understanding on the issues that affect common man is very deep and it comes out well in his writings. His voice is tireless and his journey is relentless, just as his book describes. So I am really indebted to Honorable Vice of India for his kind consent to release this book, which is very close to my heart. I welcome you, sir. Thank you very much. Also, our Honorable Governor of Odisha, besides his current resignation in the leadership position, is a person who marries science and art and produces imaginative thought. He has become people's governor very soon in the state of Odisha because of his approachability and love for common people and working like a common man. I am also very much grateful to His Excellency Governor of Odisha for his unconditional love and affection to me and inspiration to my work. So I welcome you, sir, also to this occasion. It is an honor for me that my first book is being launched by such stalwarts and epoch personalities. My sincere thanks to Rupa Publications for bringing out this book. Dibakar Ghoshji is also here from their side. I also express my heartfelt thanks to Srikant Roth and Nikita Iyer for their all support and effort to make this book with beautiful contents. This book, My Mother, My Hero, is my first book, and instead of writing it on me, my struggle and my work, I have written it on my mother and what she taught me to shape me into a person that I am today. It is a tribute to my mother, and I dedicate the book to all the mothers of the country. Instead of titling it heroine, I consciously choose the word hero because she singularly took all pains to bring us sibling up. She was our mother, teacher, philosopher, father, friend, and also guide. Though my mother was from a remote village, not formally so literate, and a person who had to face struggles like none and indescribable, she always insisted on developing her village instead of amassing wealth for her or family when opportunity were available. That's the reason one should read this book. It is a story of an ordinary woman and an extraordinary struggles and vision to give back to the society, even if she only got pains living in the society. Through this book and as her doing song, here I try to make my mother immortal and keep for alive in all hearts, especially all my readers. So और एक बार मैं माननीय वाइस प्रेसिडेंट का बस आभार व्यक्त करता हूँ। मैं जब दिल्ली में थोड़ा रिक्वेस्ट किया था, because of Corona, still His Excellency has been agreed. I am really grateful to him. And similarly, His Excellency Governor of Odisha, जो सारा
श्रद्धेय श्रीमान वेंकैया नायडू जी, परम स्नेही मित्र सांसद अच्युत सामंत जी, जिसको मैं स्नेह से प्यार से एलियन कहता हूँ, एंजल कहता हूँ, who is on this line to not only to serve the humanity but rather to worship the humanity is here. और परम स्नेही मित्रों, इस छोटे से जीवन में जो कि प्रारंभिक जीवन है, उसमें इतनी बड़ी सागा, इतनी बड़ा कहानी लिख देना, ये कोई साधारण बात नहीं। मैं जब उनको देखता हूं तो मुझे ठक्कर बप्पा की याद आती है, जिन्होंने गिरिवासियों के लिए, जंगलवासियों के लिए, आदिवासियों के लिए बहुत बड़ा काम किया। मैं केवल 3-4 चौपाइयां मानस की बताकर कि माँ क्या होती है, उससे अपनी बात को समाप्त करता हूँ। कालभुसुंडी गौर को कहते हैं उत्तराखंड में, उधर माज सुन वंडा जलाया, देखें वो बहु ब्रह्मांड निकाया, कोटिन चतुरानन गौरी सा, अग्नि पूर्णन रवि रजनी सा। मैंने भगवान राम के पेट में घुसकर देखा, अनेकों ब्रह्मांड देखे, ब्रह्मा विष्णु महेश अनगिनत देखे, दुनिया भर के सूर्य देखे। एक और स्थान पर भी कहते हैं पद पाताल शीस अधाम। मुझसे जब कई बार लोग पूछते हैं कि भगवान जगन्नाथ के तो बाल भी नहीं दिखते, पैर भी नहीं दिखते, हमने कहा पद पाताल में है, शीस ब्रह्मलोक में है। पद पाताल शीस अजधामा, अपर लोक अंगंग विश्राम, रघुपति विशाल भयंकर काला, नयन दिवाकर कच घनमाला, जा सुघ्राण अश्वनी कुमार, निशि और दिवस निमेश कृपाला, श्रवण दिशा सुनि वेद बखानी, मारुत श्वास निगम निज वाणी, सांस उनका मारुत है, विंद है। तो ऐसा सर जिसके पेट में इतना सब कुछ है, उसको पेट में रखने का गौरव अगर किसको धरती पर प्राप्त है तो वो माँ है। इसलिए व्यापक ब्रह्म निरंजन निर्गुण विगत विनोद, सोज प्रेम भक्ति बस कौशल्या के गो। ऐसा भी भगवान जो है, जब चाहे इस युग के मुताबिक धरती पर माता ने उसी प्रकार के पुत्र को जन्म दिया है। तो माँ का कल्पना करना संभव ही नहीं। वेदों में श्लोक है, ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। पूर्ण में से पूर्ण निकलने के बाद, कंप्लीट में से कंप्लीट निकलने के बाद, इन्फिनिटी में से इन्फिनिटी निकलने के बाद फिर भी इन्फिनिटी बचा रहे, वही परमात्मा हो सकता है। तो माँ से ही पूर्ण से पूर्ण निकलता है, उसके बाद भी पूर्ण बचा रहता है। तो इस धरती पर मानव जाति में या जितनी भी स्पीसीज है, उसमें माँ से बढ़कर कोई खुदा, कोई भगवान, कोई अल्लाह हो नहीं सकता। ऐसे में अच्युत सामंत का बहुत बहुत अभिनंदन, बहुत बहुत बधाई कि आपने धरती पर अपनी माँ को आज भी अपने साथ रखा हुआ है, और ऐसा पुत्र माँ को जब चाहे उसके दर्शन करने का सौभाग्य प्राप्त कर सकता है। कभी जननी में हम जगत जननी को देखते हैं, अब जगत जननी को देखेंगे तो जननी को देखने का सौभाग्य आपको प्राप्त हो। इसी प्रार्थना के साथ वंदे उत्कल जननी।
Thank you so very much, sir. My heartfelt gratitude to you for this wonderful message. Now I request Honorable Vice President of India, Sri Venkaiah Naidu ji, to address the gathering. Please, sir.
प्रोफेसर गणेश लाल जी, उड़ीसा मान्यवर राज्यपाल, संसद सदस्य डॉक्टर अच्युत सामंत, सम्मान्य श्रीगणों, भाई भोनी बहने, समस्त को नमस्कार। I am really happy today to be present in this small function to release the book Nilima Rani, My Mother, My Hero, written by one of our colleagues in Parliament, the social worker, Sri Achyut Samanta. Generally, we read biographies of great leaders, entrepreneurs, and explorers. But it is heartwarming today that we are releasing the biography of a mother, because it is mother who makes a man or woman great through her upbringing and values. Friends, when I was going through the pages of this book, I could not but feel enormous respect and reverence of a mother who fought every part single-handedly to raise her 7 children. Despite abject poverty and lack of resources, she ensured that all her children got good education and became responsible citizens. I was moved by the account of Dr. Achyut Samanta's father's death. Despite such life-shattering experiences, Srimati Nilima Rani never wavered from her humane approach towards the poor and downtrodden and kept on working for their upliftment. I'm very happy to know that with the help of her sons, she turned her native village, Kalarabanka, into one of the first smart villages of its kind in the country. Her native place. This is really inspiring. It is my appeal to all the successful men and women that they should never forget their roots. That's why I say, whenever I go to any place, I tell people, particularly youngsters, Matru-murti, मातृभाषा, मातृभूमि को कभी भूलना नहीं चाहिए. You never forget your mother who has given you this beautiful birth. And also, Janma Bhumi, the native place to which you belong to. See how his mother developed a native place into a smart village. And also, Matru-bhasha. We should never forget, ignore our mother tongue. Because mother tongue is the language which has come from mother's womb. So I appeal to all, please keep these things in mind. Respect, revere the mother forever. Second, do something back home to your native place. Third, feel proud and propagate and speak at home, the neighborhood, in your mother tongue, and then propagate. I also appeal to Dr. Achyut Samanta to bring this book in Oriya also, so that the people here, they will be able to understand better. The common people, they know their mother tongue and the vernacular language. I have been telling everywhere that we should promote and protect and propagate mother tongue. Everywhere. Even in education, even in courts, even in administration, we should promote our mother tongue. Nothing wrong in learning English or other languages. First, we must promote our mother tongue. I am very happy Dr. Achyut Samanta, in spite of rising to these heights through his social service, particularly particularly for the cause of tribals, downtrodden, taking care of their education, their health, and understanding their abilities and promoting them. Thought it fit to write the biography of his mother, who was responsible not only to give this beautiful birth, but also this inspiration to service to the people. That's why I'm happy that he brought out this publication. Though it is a small presentation, I have accepted this because writing mother's biography is really a great thing, and it will be inspiring for others also to always remember their mother and parents and do something in memory of them. We brought out those memories in the form of a booklet which will be useful for the younger generation. My compliments to you, Dr. Samantha, once again, and also my compliments to the publishers, Rupa Publications, for bringing out this wonderful publication. I suggest to the readers, youngsters, to read this book and understand the spirit behind what Samantha has written, the greatness of his mother. Thank you very much. Namaskar. Jai Hind.
Thank you so very much, sir, from the depth of our hearts. Dr. Achyuta Samantha, the Samantha family, and everyone present here will be obliged to you forever. Thank you all.